Okay, good afternoon, students. Today we'll be discussing on the topic of identification of specimen. How to identify the specimen. Also, as well as I will ask you about the organs which I'll be showing to you. The first one, Ayushi Devarma. Can you name this specimen? What is the name of the
Yes, ma'am.
specimen? Can you name the
Brain.
specimen? Brain. Can you tell
Yeah.
me about brain?
Um,
Can you tell me?
Brain has four lobes.
Okay, four lobes. Anything else? Can you name the lobes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, name them.
Frontal.
Huh?
Frontal.
Okay, then.
Parietal.
Okay.
Temporal.
Hmm.
Occipital.
Okay, good. Okay, next, Ivan. Ivan. Ivan Rihun. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you name the different parts of the brain? Not lobes. Okay. Different parts. Can you name them?
Different parts of what, ma'am?
Brain.
Cerebrum,
Hmm.
cerebellum,
Hmm. Then.
medulla,
Okay.
uh,
Then.
medulla oblongata.
Yes, that one is also there, but you just name the main ones. Cerebrum, cerebellum, then
Cerebrum, cerebellum,
it starts with the letter D, na? You forgot.
D,
D, die, diencephalon, you forgot or what?
diencephalon,
Diencephalon. Yes. Then, then,
um,
is your notes with you? Yes. Do you have the notes with you now?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, you see and you say once. Did you get?
No, I didn't.
You didn't note down.
No, ma'am.
I have already uploaded in your student portal, I guess.
I haven't tried it.
Then write it. Why? You could have written because I've already uploaded. Okay, it's okay. Asang, do you know? Asang,
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
can you name
ma'am.
them?
Ma'am, which one?
Parts, parts of the brain.
Cerebellum.
Hmm. Then
Cerebellum, brain system,
cerebellum.
densicelon,
Okay. Then Anything else? Anything else?
Hello, ma'am.
Anything else?
Ma'am.
Hmm. Say.
Densipelar.
Huh. And
Brain system.
brainstem. Okay. Okay, Caroline, can you hear me? Caroline, can you hear me? Caroline, can you hear me or not? Yes, Caroline, can you hear me? Okay, Gordas, can you hear me? God, can you hear me? God, can you hear me or not? Okay, Gunajit, Jyotishmita.
Ma'am,
Okay, can you tell me the function of a frontal lobe?
function of
Frontal lobe.
frontal lobe. And they are involved in motor function,
Hmm.
problem solving,
Okay.
memory,
Okay.
language,
Mm-hmm.
and
Okay.
judgment.
Okay. How many frontal lobes do you have?
Ma'am,
It is frontal lobe. How many? कितना है frontal lobe?
ma'am, five.
Five. Frontal lobe you
I'm
have
sorry,
five.
four. Ma'am, four, ma'am.
I'm talking about only frontal lobe. Only frontal, not all.
Two,
Okay. Only frontal lobe. This one, this lobe front. How many you have?
two,
Two. Are you sure?
and
Frontal lobe one. Okay, Jyotismita. One. Only this. Parietal one, two. Understand? Parietal lobe
yes,
1, 2. Temporal 1, 2. And occipital at the back here, back
frontal.
side 1. Understand? Not
Yes,
2.
ma'am.
Okay. Do you remember this? Okay, Kajal. Can you hear me, Kajal?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kajal. Can you? I will point out the bones. Okay, you have to name the the name of the bones. Okay. So, Kajal, can you tell me
Okay, ma'am.
what is the name of this bone? Can you see the arrow, Kajal?
Ma'am, I can't see it on. Hello?
Can you see the skeleton or not? First of all, tell me. Can you see the skeleton? Huh, Kajal, can you see it?
Ma'am, specimen of brain. Oh, ma'am, now I can see.
You can see now. Okay. Okay. Can you see the skeleton?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you name this skeleton? Name this bone?
Ma'am, scapula. Scapula.
Are you sure? Are you sure, Kajal?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure, na? Okay. Okay, can you name this, Kajal? Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you name it? This
Sternum.
sternum. Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So it comes under which skeleton, this sternum? Axial skeleton or appendicular skeleton? Huh?
I
It comes under which skeleton? Axial or appendicular?
Excel.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay, next, Kintiu. Can you hear me, Kintiu?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Kintiu, can you name this? Can you see the screen? Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you name this?
Mandible.
Mandible. Okay. Okay, what about these two parts? I mean, this part and the other part I can't show you. This part.
Zygomatic bones.
No, no, no. It's in your skull. Okay, this, okay, I'll show you. These two parts. What bone is it? These two parts, both sides. Can you see me, Kintiu? Can you see me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you see this? I'm doing like this. No? Can you see it?
No, ma'am.
You can't see me.
No.
Okay, okay, at least can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am. I can see.
Okay, can you means it this bone it lies near your eyes, I can say. Somewhere near your eyes and just near your ear. This two. Can you name it? Okay, I'll give you another bone. Can you name this then? What is the name of this?
Femur.
Femur. Okay. Okay, and this one? This one?
Tibia.
No, no, this one.
Oh.
In between your femur and this one, this in the middle.
Fibula.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Patella, you remember patella? You
What,
remember?
ma'am? Pardon?
You remember patella? I said.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
It is also known as what? Patella is also known as
I don't know, ma'am.
kneecap. You remember it now? Kneecap.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Ah, you should revise every day. Okay, means it's easy to forget all these things because it's new for you all. It's not it. So you revise every day.
Yes. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Next, Masmin. Okay. Next, Mobang. 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 Can you hear me? Mobang, can you hear me or not? Okay. Monica Rai. Monica, can you hear me? Yes, Monica, can you hear me or not? Next, Fraki, can you hear me, Fraki?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Fraki, can you name this? Can you name this spoon? Uh-huh. Can you name it, Fraki, this one?
Uh, pelvis.
Pelvis. Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, next, Prajwal, can you hear me, Prajwal?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Prajwal, can you tell me what is this specimen? Can you see it?
Ma'am. Heart.
Heart.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Can you tell me a little bit about heart?
It helps us in blood circulation.
Okay, blood circulation. Then.
It's main part.
Uh-huh.
Ma'am, it helps us to deliver bloods in every part of our body.
Okay. Can you tell me a little bit about the structure of the heart? Not the function, only the structure, how it looks like. Your heart is where it is located where. Can you tell me a little bit about that one? Huh? Yes, Prajwal, can you tell me a little bit about that? Hello? Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me, Prajwal?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell me about the location where it is located? Can you tell me about a little bit about the structure?
Ma'am, it is located in our left side of body.
Okay, it is where? It is inside the what? Inside the
Rib cage.
rib cage. Okay. And this the what is the size of your heart?
Ma'am, it is according to our feast.
Feast, honors feast, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, good. Next, okay, Rudolph, can you hear me, Rudolph? Can you hear me, Rudolph? Okay, Sachi, can you hear me, Sachi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you tell me how many chambers does a heart have?
What, ma'am?
How many chambers does the heart have?
4 chamber.
Can you name them?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle.
Okay, good. Okay, next, Sakani, can you hear me? Sakani, can you hear me? Sakani, can you hear me? Okay, Tashi, can you hear me, Tashi? Tashi, can you hear me? What about Yatu Likha? Can you hear me, Yatu?
Yes, ma'am.
Yatu, can you tell me about the circulation of the heart?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me about the circulation of the heart?
Circulation of our.
Yes, can you tell me?
Ma'am.
Yes. Okay, then you just tell me uh, the deoxygenated blood, okay, the deoxygenated blood, where does it stay? In the right side or in the left side? You just tell me
Hip.
that. The deoxygenated blood.
Left. Left atrium.
Deoxygenated, sure.
Yes, ma'am.
100%.
Yes, ma'am.
100% sure.
Yes.
Okay. Youngview, Jumi, can you hear me, Youngview? Youngview, Jumi, can you hear me? Okay, Thulunga Nursery, can you hear me? Thulunga Nursery, can you hear me? Okay, Tenya Ngomle, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Tenya, just now, yes, Yatu, she said that in the left side, sorry, yeah, in the left side, deoxygenated blood is there. So is it correct?
Deoxygen.
Huh? Is it correct or not?
ma'am, left ventricle is having oxygenated rich blood.
Left what?
Left side is left atrium is having oxygenated
Okay, and right side?
deoxygen.
Deoxygen. Are you sure, Tanya? Yes, are you sure? Okay. Okay, Tao Yati?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, just now, Tanya Ngomle, she said that the oxygenated blood, okay, sorry, the deoxygenated blood, they first come to the right atrium, then the right ventricle. Is it correct?
I forgot, ma'am.
Forgot.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then Srijana.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just now they said that the deoxygenated blood they come to the right atrium and they then go to the right ventricle. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then this is the superior vena cava, isn't it? And this is the inferior vena cava. So the deoxygenated blood will come towards where?
Ma'am,
And
to the right atrium.
I know, but I mean to say like from which place they will come, through which channel?
From the upper parts of the body to the superior vena cava and from lower parts of the body to the inferior vena cava.
Okay, okay, good. Okay, next, Saurabh. Can you hear me,
Yes,
Saurabh?
ma'am.
Okay, Saurabh, can you tell me now what will happen? Means the deoxygenated blood, they will come to the right atrium, and with the help of this valve. Okay, what is the name of this valve? Do you remember? Huh? Do you remember the name of this valve?
I'm forgetting right now.
Okay, first tell me what do you mean by valve? VALVE.
Valve is like chamber of the heart, which is there to separate the oxygenated and deoxygenated blood.
Valve, VALVE.
I'm sorry, valve is like a doorway which uh,
Uh-huh. Means they are like a door, it's not it? Means they used to
it prevents the
go.
oxygenated blood from mixing with the
Yes.
deoxygenated blood from the other chamber.
Okay, so can you name the valve?
One one is tricuspid valve and the other one is
This
mitral
is
valve, I
so
guess.
which one is tricuspid? This or this or this? Wait, I will point. This one is
This one is tricuspid.
tricuspid. Okay. So now the deoxygenated blood will go to the tricuspid valve and it will go where? To here, it's not it?
Left atrium.
No, no, no. The deoxygenated blood, wait, can you see the arrow? All these
Yes,
arrow, can
ma'am.
you see? Huh? So all these arrows, all these are the deoxygenated blood, which is coming from the superior vena cava, that is upper side of the body, and this is the inferior vena cava, that is to the lower side of the body. Okay, so the deoxygenated blood will come. Others also, please listen carefully. When I'm explaining, please listen carefully. Don't say like I forgot, ma'am, this and that. Please listen, concentrate. So the deoxygenated blood will come and they will come here in the right atrium. Understand? So when they will now go downside, but for going down, what will happen means there is a door. Okay, so for them to go, they'll have to go towards the door. They'll have to cross the door. Okay, but in exam, don't write door. Just for your understanding, I'm saying it. So there is a door or a pathway which is known as tricuspid valve. Understand? So this, so when they will go towards this tricuspid valve, it will now enter in the right ventricle. Understand? Right ventricle. Ventricle is always downside, remember that. And atrium is always upside. For your understanding, I'm just saying atrium. Since atrium, A, it's alphabetical letter, alphabet, you just remember alphabet A comes first. It's not it, then V. So you remember in that way, it will be easy, I guess. So atrium will be always up and ventricle will be always below, downside. Understand? So the tricuspid valve will open, that is the door, then the deoxygenated blood, then now it will go towards this, that is the pulmonary. Understand? Pulmonary valve. This is the pulmonary valve, and now this pulmonary valve, it is divided into two parts, right side and left side. So this pulmonary, now they will go where? They will go to each side of your lungs. Your lungs are here, okay, right side and left side. So they will go to both sides, right side and left side, your lungs. Means it will go towards your lungs. And when it will come out from the lungs, in the lungs, what will happen? The deoxygenated blood will be converted into oxygenated blood. Don't get confused, okay? Means here it was deoxygenated. Now when they will go towards this pulmonary, means right side and left side is there. So what will happen? Okay, can you hear me? Am I audible?
Yes,
Am
ma'am.
I audible? Okay, so now what will happen? The deoxygenated blood is from this pulmonary, it will go to right side and the left side. So when the right side and the left side will go to both of the lungs, what will happen in the lungs? Now the deoxygenated blood will now be converted into oxygenated blood. Understand? And what will happen? The oxygenated bloods will now come towards the pulmonary veins again. Understand? And now it will enter here in the left atrium. This is the left atrium. Then afterwards again there is a valve. This valve is known as what? Mitral valve. It's not it. So it will enter here to the mitral valve
Yeah.
and it will go towards this left ventricle. Understand? And now the oxygenated blood will now go towards this side, upper side. Okay, that is the aortic valve. Aortic valve. Aortic valve. Then afterwards, it will go to the aorta. Then after that, they will go and supply the oxygenated blood to the different parts of your body. So in this way, the circulatory system, it goes on and on. Understand? It pumps blood. Now, means the heart pumps blood. So in this manner, it will go on. So this is the circulatory system. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, that's all for today's class, means for this period.